Isaac Newton, he discovered the law of motion, and this law was known as the first law of motion. So according to him, what was the first law of motion? If no force is acting on the body, its velocity does not change. Okay, अगर कोई भी body is stationary, is not changing any its position, okay, then it will remain stationary. Stationary का meaning है stable, not moving from that place. Okay, this is about the first law of motion. Then how is the force calculated? The force is calculated with the help of Newton. Okay, so force is calculated with the help of Newton. Then again, Newton's first law of inertia. A object is rest to stay at the rest, and the object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon an unbalanced force. So object जब कब तक मोशन में रहेगा, और it will be in the rest position unless any force is acted on it. So object will remain in the rest position until the force is acting on it. Okay, now here you can see the balance force. Okay, so here there is equal force applied from both backside and front side of the truck. That is why the truck is standing still in one place. Okay, so 100 Newton of force is applied from the backside, and 100 Newton of force is applied from the front side, and this is the reason that the equal forces in opposite direction is applied, so there is no motion in the object and the truck is standing still in one place. Okay, जब कोई भी opposite forces opposite force apply किया जाता है, both the forces are equal, those produces on the object or the truck, that time the truck will have no motion, it will not move from its place, it will remain still, and the force which is applied from both the side, when it is equal, that time we call it as a balanced force. That time we call it as a balanced force. Okay, now here in this picture, what do you see? Okay, let me ask one student what. In this picture we can see that the block is there, and to the block a rope is tied, and there is one pulley through which the rope is coming towards the man. And what does the man do? He is applying the effort to pull the load. Okay, so he is applying the efforts to pull the load. So what type of efforts the man is taking? He is applying the force. He is applying the force. Okay, he is applying the force. If the blocks is moving forward, we can say that displacement has taken place. Okay, if the person is pulling with a force, that time we can see the displacement in the object. So that means the force is applied on that पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर हैवी होगा तो इट विल टेक मोर फोर्स. ओके, सो व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग सम फोर्स ऑन द ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट टाइम व्हाट हैपन्स, द ऑब्जेक्ट इज लिफ्टेड little bit from the place. That means what? There is a displacement in an object with the help of force. So can you measure how much displacement has been taken, or how much force has been acted to on the object to have some this displacement? कितना displacement हुआ ये कैलकुलेट करने के लिए do we have any formula? Yes, we are having one formula for calculating the measuring work. Okay, so SI unit, the unit of work is joule. So in SI unit, the unit of work is calculated in joules, and the unit of force is calculated in Newton. Okay, so joule is represented by capital J. So work in SI unit, it is represented as joule, and force in SI unit, it is represented with the help of Newton, capital N. Okay, then the unit of displacement is in meter. Okay, is in meter, and in CGS system the work is calculated in erg. Okay, erg. तो CGS system में the work is calculated in the form of erg. तो SI unit में work is calculated with the help of joule, and in CGS system the work is calculated with the help of erg. Okay, now how can we use the formula for calculating how much work has been done? Okay, so we can calculate the work done by the force is equal to force applied to the body multiplied by the displacement of the body that is taken in the direction of the force. तो कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं? वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स अप्लाइड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए हम लोग क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? एस. और फोर्स अप्लाइड के लिए हम लोग एफ यूज कर रहे हैं. सो दिस फॉर्मूला इज डिराइव्ड एज work done by the force is equal to force applied by the body multiplied by displacement of the body that takes place in the direction of the force. Okay, that takes place in the direction of the force. So हम लोगों को ये फॉर्मूला बहुत ही important है. What is important in this lesson? The CGS system unit of the work is erg. Okay, SI unit, that is joule. Then force, it is Newton, and displacement, it is meter. And the most important, the formula, that is work is equal to force multiplied by displacement. So this formula is very much helpful for us to calculate the sums. Okay, now this is one of the puzzle you have to understand and make this work, force and displacement, their SI unit as well as CGS units are given. When you are answering the question, you are supposed to answer the question along with SI unit as well as quantity, SI unit and CGS unit. So let me ask the question. Just a second. How to solve the problem based on the work? So we are having the formula to calculate the work, that is work is equal to force up. Work is equal to force multiplied by displacement. So now the first question हम लोगों को इसमें ढूंढना है कि what is given in the question. So when our subject is correlated to maths word problems, so when we are reading the word problems, we are supposed to understand what is given in the question. Okay, so what is given in the question, we will read the question and we will try to understand what is given in the question. A force of 1000 Newton was applied to stop a car that is moving with a constant velocity. So constant velocity से कार मूव कर रही थी और कितना फोर्स अप्लाई किया गया था कार स्टॉप करने के लिए? 1000 Newton force was applied to stop the car. Okay, कार को जब हम लोग ब्रेक दबाते हैं तो car does not stop immediately. Okay, it takes some displacement and after that the car stops. अगर आपने ये देखा रहेगा तो whenever the brake is applied to stop any vehicle, the vehicle is moving for little bit forward after applying the brakes also. Okay, the same thing is given in the question. A force of 1000 Newton was applied to stop the car that was moving with a constant velocity. और ब्रेक अप्लाई करने के बाद the car stopped after moving through 10 meter. So the displacement of the car after applying the brakes, it was 10 meter. So what you are supposed to calculate? Work. So what is given here? Force is given, displacement is given. Okay, so force is equal to 1000 units, then displacement is equal to 10. So what is our formula? Formula is work is equal to force multiplied by displacement. Okay, now car जो है वो ब्रेक अप्लाई करने के बाद इट हैज स्टॉप्ड. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन द नेगेटिव साइन. नेगेटिव साइन क्यों? क्योंकि जब कार को ब्रेक लगाया गया था उसके बाद भी कार ने जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिखाया दैट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू नेगेटिव फॉर्म. तो दैट इज नेगेटिव फॉर्म. मैंने अप्लाई किया था तो तुरंत रुकना चाहिए था कार ने, लेकिन कार रुकी नहीं, कार ने डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिखाया है. सो दैट डिस्प्लेसमेंट विच हैज बीन शोन बाय द कार दैट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड इन नेगेटिव फॉर्म. सो 1000 Newton multiplied by minus 10 meter, you will get 10,000 joule. So work done is calculated in minus 10,000 joule. So this is the sum that you are supposed to understand. So why minus we have taken? Because after applying the brake, the car has shown the displacement, so the negative sign will come to the displacement unit. Okay, and the what is the unit of the work that we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate the work in joule. So whatever answer you will get by multiplying, that will be having the unit of joule. Okay, so this is the first sum. Let us take one more sum to understand this thing more nicely. In this question, a cart with mass 20 kg went 50 meter in a straight line on a plane and the smooth road when the force of 2 Newton was applied to it. How much work was done by the force? Okay, so here mass is given, weight is given. Okay, weight of the cart with 20 kg mass means the cart was having 20 kg of weight and the displacement done by the cart was 50 meter in a straight line and the force which was applied on the cart for the displacement that was 2 Newton. Okay, इसमें 3 वैल्यू दिया है, तो 3 वैल्यू में से we are supposed only to know what is the force applied and what is the displacement taken place. So we have nothing to do with this unit. ये जो mass है, the mass which is given, we are nothing to do with that. We are nothing to do with that because what is the formula for work? Work is equal to force multiplied by displacement. तो यहाँ पे displacement कितना हुआ है? 50 meters और फोर्स कितना अप्लाई किया है? 2 न्यूटन. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द वर्क? फोर्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इक्वल टू वर्क. ओके, सो फोर्स कितना है? 2 न्यूटन. डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना है? 50 meters. So 2 multiplied by 50 meters you will get 100 joule. Here the displacement is not negative. नेगेटिव में नहीं आएगा because cart is moving. Okay, so the displacements will not come in negative sign. Okay, so this is the sum that we are supposed to understand and the formula is very much important, and whatever answer you are getting you are going to write the unit for the answer. Okay, so that is very much important. That will help you to get the correct marks because all the sum is carrying the 2 marks for what you have understood from the word problem, then what formula you are going to apply, then what accurate answer you are going to get, and what is the unit for your answer. So all this consist marks step by step, so you have to solve the sum with the help of stepwise. Okay.